My English reader, class 4 DFE textbook, a true friend. Rahul and Ras were best friends starting in class 4. Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. Ras was good at both. They often had a cycling contest. Raj always managed to win. As a result, Rahul became jealous of Raj. So, dear student, what is the story here? Rahul and Raj were best friends. Both were the student of class 4. Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. And Raj was good and both in sports and studies. And all time they go for a cycling contest, and Raj always managed to win the cycling contest. So generally Rahul was very jealous to Raj. So this is the common tendency for the small child, the feeling jealousy for the others. And this is not the good behavior of any student. This is not a proper personality trait of the any children. So no student should never be jealous. Jealousy is a bad trait of a human character. So my dear student, never be jealous to anyone. The sports day was near. Everyone was practicing for it. Rahul and Raj were very good at athletics. Rahul was determined to win, but he was not sure whether he could score a win over Raj. Slowly, he started talking laser with Raj. Raj asked him the reason many times, but Rahul always put him off with one excuse and other. So the sports day was very near. Everyone was practicing for the sports day for their better performance, for winning the medals, whatever else. Rahul and Raj were very good at athletics. Both the student Rahul and Raj were also very good in athletics. Rahul was determined. Rahul was very determined that he is a very good sports person and he will win the race. But he was not sure whether he could score the win over Raj. But he was a little doubt that either he will win over Raj or not. So due to his dream of success and for there is any doubting for winning the race, and he feel some awkward, he feel some tensed, and due to his such uncertainty he started talking laser. He reduces his talking with Raj. Raj asked him for many reasons, for many times, that what is the reason, why are you not talking to me? The Rahul always put him off with one excuse and others. So giving excuse after excuse, he avoid Raj. Rahul avoid Raj due to the jealousy of his success, that he will win the race, but there is some possibility of Raj to win the race and he may lose the race to Raj. So there is such certain insecurity feelings. that he may lose the race to Raj. And that time his mind is not so sportive. One day before the sports day, Rahul hits up on a plan to defeat Raj. He went to the ground before anyone had arrived there. He dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. He covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. So next what happened? One day before the sports day, just before the sports day, Rahul hits up a plan. He has made a plan to defeat Raj. He has make a game plan to defeat Raj. He went to the ground before anyone had arrived there. So he went to the ground lonely, alone, and he dug a small pit on the track, on the path where Raj supposed to win. On the track of the Raj, he dug a small pit and he covered this pit with leaves, so many dry leaves. Went back to his classroom and returned to his classroom. When the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul, but after some time, Raj stepped on the pit and fell down. He was seriously injured. So according to the plan of Rahul, the things happens. So just before the day of the sports, he made a pit on the track, and in the same track, Raj ran, and he was also in first position, and while going to the first positions, and suddenly he stepped in the pit and fell down, and he was seriously injured. So according to the plan by Rahul, the whole things happens. He was very happy as his plan was worked and he had won the first prize. Rahul took the trophy home. His parents were also very happy. His friends were proud of him. But now Rahul was not happy. He started feeling that he did not deserve the trophy as he had cheated and had hurt his best friend. He could not sleep properly that night. Next morning, he went to the principal's room. He opened the door and said, "Excuse me, sir, could I speak for you a while?" So the things happened according to the plan by Rahul. But now the situation has changed. Rahul overtook him. He was very happy as his plan worked and he won the first prize. So all things happened according to the Rahul plans work. He was very happy that he has won the first prize. Okay, Rahul took the trophy home and Rahul went to his home taking the trophy, and Rahul's parents was also happy that their son has won the first prize in the 100-meter race. His friends were all his proud of him now that Rahul, but now his mind changes. Rahul is not happy now. He started feeling that he did not deserve the trophy. He thinks that this trophy is not for him, and he had cheated and hurt his best friend. And this trophy is owned by him by the cheating, and also by hurting his best friend. He could not sleep properly that night. He can't sleep that night properly. The next morning he went to the principal's room. And the next morning in the school he went to the principal's room. He opened the door and said, he opens the door of the principal's cabin and said, "Excuse me, sir, could I speak to you for a while?" Inside, he admitted that he had dug, and inside the principal's cabin, Rahul admitted that he had dug a pit in which Raj has fallen down. The principal said, "I am happy that you have realized your fault. Rahul, you should make friend with Raj and promise me that you will not betray him again. Besides, you must study very hard and secure a good marks in like your friend. So now he surrender. Now Rahul realized his mistakes. Next day in school, he came to the principal Kevin and informed all the incident to the principals that he had made a pit, and due to this speed his friends got injury and he has got the first prize, and now he's realized that it is a blunder. It's a biggest mistake done by him, and the principal was also happy after his realization. Inside, he admitted that he had dug a spade in which this Madraj has fallen down. The principal said, I am happy that you have realized your fault. Rahul, you should make your friend. Now you make friendship with Raj again and promise me that you will never do such type of things again. And beside all these things, you must promise me that you will study hard and score and secure good marks like Raj, like your all other friends also. Rahul went to Raj and apologized to him from the core of his heart. Raj forgave him and agreed to be a friend with him again. So, according to the instruction by the principal sir, he went to Raj and apologized and felt sorry for him. And from the core of his heart, from the very core of his heart, from the inner side of his heart, Raj forgave, and Raj also forgave. Raj also pardoned him and agreed to be friend with him again. So now all the misunderstanding is resolved, and everybody was friends. The whole situation is managed under the principal's supervision and supervisions. After some days, a class test was held. Rahul gave a poor performance. He managed to score very less mark. His principal said, this is your last chance. If you do not perform well in the term and examinations, also you will be punished. So now what is the next incident? After just few days, the exam happens, and again Rahul performed in this exam was very poor. After some days, a class test was held. Rahul gave a poor performance. He managed to score a good marks, but principal said, this is your last chance. If you do not perform well in the term examination, you will be punished, and this is your last time in your exams. And if you can't give the best performance your term exams, you will be given punishment. Rahul was ashamed of himself and cried bitterly. Now, due to his bad result, Rahul was ashamed. He felt ashamed himself and cried bitterly. Then Raj came to him and said, don't worry. Then Raj came to him and said, Rahul, don't be worried. This is just a class test. So this is the performance by you. This is only just a class test. Don't be worried about this. Start studying well. Work hard from now and onwards. If you do so, you will much better in the term examination. Now this is only a class test. Your performance is bad, then take it positively. And our main term in exam is coming, and if you study properly from this time, you will get your good result. And if you lament for your bad result for this class test, and you can't perform better in the term and exams, so do study from that time more and more for your best performance for the term exams. And this is only just a class test. Rahul thanked Raj. He worked hard. Raj helped Rahul in every way he could. The term and examination result was announced. Everyone was surprised to see that he had not only topped in the class but also beaten Raj as well, and was the first one to congratulate. So such a big things happens. Raj encouraged Rahul for study properly due to the bad result of the class test exams, and he also guided him for the better result for the term exams. But at the final term exams, Rahul surprised all. He was top in the class and even beaten Raj, who guided him. And sometimes this thing happens. The person who guide you, you may cross him also. And if your preparation is proper, so whatever may be the things, if you take the preparation properly, the success will become as grand. Okay, and here this thing happens. Thus first he felt inferiority complex, then he had done, then Rahul done the mistakes, then he was rebuked by the principal, and he was encouraged by Raj, and at the end he has given the best result in the final exam, and he even beaten the top student Raj also. And there is more any sportive things are there, and Raj was the first person to congratulate Raj, and this is called spirit. This is called sportsmanship. This is called personal spirit. The competitions maybe competitions will go with your activities, not personal. Okay, you make competition with your friend in your study, not take it as a personal revenge. Okay, Rahul was the first one to congratulate him. Indeed, it was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj, who had stood second. His principal was also very happy with their result. After this, Rahul and Raj remain true friends ever after. So now at the end of the story, what happens? And that day was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj for his such a great performance, and now Raj is second in the class. The principal of the school was also very happy. And after this, Rahul and Raj remain true friends even after. And from that time, the Rahul and Raj were best friend for days by days. Thanks.